Hello and welcome once again to this channel. Today we'll talk about folder management. As a computer user, you would one way or the other work with folders. So it is necessary to know some of the basic ways to manage your folders. Let's start by creating a folder. You would have to right click anywhere on your desktop, most preferably an empty part. Then you highlight on new. The next step is to click on folder, and the next step is for you to type a name and press enter. Your folder has been created. You can now open your folder by double clicking. You can exit by clicking on the close button. Let's move on to renaming your folder. So you have to locate your folder, right click on your folder, select rename, type a new name and press enter. Your folder has a new name. Now let's say you want to delete your folder. You have to locate your folder and right click. Select delete from the pop-up menu and your folder is deleted. Take note, the folder you just deleted is sent to the recycle bin. So in case you want to restore or undelete the folder, you can bring them back. So let's move on to restoring or undeleting folders. First of all, we'd have to open the recycle bin, locate your folder and right click. After right clicking, select restore. Your folder is brought back to where it was.
Feel free to comment with your questions and suggestions. I urge you to like the video, share them to your friends, subscribe and stay tuned for more.